Hi everyone, it's your how-to teacher Sierra, and I'm back with a very quick video. A lot of people in my life have seen my computer, and when I pull up my Google, my Chrome, they see this cool background and all these colorful additions, and they keep asking me, how did you get that? How do you get it so cool? How'd you get all these different colors? So I'm going to show you really quickly how I got this cool Google Chrome kind of background and tabs, I guess. So what I did is, if you have this little puzzle piece, you can click that for the extensions. If you don't see that, you can click the three dots next to your sign-in picture. Go to more tools and then go to extensions. Now, these are your extensions that you already have if you have any. But what I do is I go to the three lines on the left side at the top and go down here to the bottom that says Open Chrome Web Store. Now you can go here to the themes. Now they have some Chrome themes already on here, lots of different ones. I'm not sure if any of these cost money or not, but they have some pretty cool ones on here. But who I went to is I searched and I put in Hey Ashley G. And she has all of these very amazing kind of teacher-based themes or backgrounds. So I clicked more themes to see all of them. And so she has this cheetah, rainbow school supplies. I love this cheetah with the colorful tabs. I had that one for a while. A lot of them that might have a little saying on them, rainbow, lemons. This is the one I have, watercolor. And I love it. It's just so calm and peaceful. But she has like all of these different ones that you can choose from. And so what you can do is, all you have to do is click add to Chrome. So like, let's say I wanted this, my main squeeze. I just click add to Chrome. And there you go. It kind of just changes itself. And so now when you have your blank tab, you get whatever that is. And that's so cute. I love this little lemon one. So fun. But I think I'm going to stick with my watercolors for right now. And I'm going to enable it back. There we go. All right, since I already had it, all I had to do was enable it. But there we go. That's all it is. Super simple, super fun. And I'm sure there's a lot of other authors that have published Chrome themes. This is just the one that I found out about. I think I found that out on TikTok, maybe. Not sure. I think it was TikTok. But yeah, she has lots of teacher theme ones, which I loved. So there you go. If you like this video, be sure to like, subscribe, hit that bell if you want to be notified of more videos to come. And I will see you next time. Bye.